Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the online classes. I am Ms. Muskan Fatma from The Educators Pre-Society Campus Shadatpur. Hello dear students of grade 3. This is your lecture number 3. Lecture number 2. This is your book of science, Miracles of Science, Science ke Karishmat. The name of your unit number 1 is The Living World, Jandaro ki Duniya. So today we will start our unit number 1. The living world. What does mean by the living world? Living world means Jandaro ki duniya. So do you know that where did the living world exist? Do it exist on other planets also except Earth? Think about it. Tell me where does the living world exist? Where does the living things exist? जानदार चीज़ें कहाँ कहाँ हैं? प्लैनेट अर्थ पर हैं और किसी प्लैनेट पर हैं? Are they present on any other planet? No, all the living things are just present on the earth, on the planet earth. Why? Because for living things, air, water and sunlight are very essential for living things. These are the essential conditions for living things to survive and grow, and on other planets these conditions are not fulfilled. There is not air, water and sunlight. So due to that, the living things are present, the living world is present just on the planet earth. Okay, now living things include plants and animals. You know that very well. The living things include plants and animals. And do you know that living things use these things like water, air and sunlight, and they make more living things of their own kind. That means they have new babies. These conditions are essential for us: air, water and sunlight. Without them, what would happen? We would die. We would not survive without air, water and sunlight. So these are the very essential conditions for living things to survive and grow. Now what's here? That living things need air. Do we need air? Yes, of course we need air. All living things need air. Living things means plants and animals. Even though plants also need air, do you know? Okay. Do you know that how we breathe? Breathing means? Do you know that what is breathing? Breathing means taking oxygen into the body and giving out carbon dioxide. That is called breathing. What's called breathing? When we take in oxygen gas and give out carbon dioxide, that's called breathing. Okay? There are different gases present in the air like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, many gases. But we take in oxygen gas. We breathe oxygen gas and give out carbon dioxide. Okay, the question rises that why we just take in oxygen gas? Why we do not breathe carbon dioxide? Why we do not take nitrogen? Because oxygen helps to break down the food. What does the oxygen does? Oxygen helps to break down the food. And what will happen after the breaking down of food? After the breaking down of food that we eat, we get energy. And energy helps living things to move, grow, work, play. All these things are done by the energy. We get by the food. So air, water, sunlight and food are the essential things. Okay. Do you know that how we breathe? We breathe through our lungs. From where we breathe? We breathe through our lungs. And fishes breathe through their gills. From which how does fishes breathe? Fishes breathe through their gills. The oxygen present in the water, fishes use that oxygen and breathe. Okay, these are the gills of the fishes through which the fishes breathe, and we breathe through the lungs. Okay, do you know that plants also breathe? How do they breathe? They do not have lungs, and they also do not have gills, so they take in air through tiny holes in their leaves. How do they take in air? They take in air through tiny holes in their leaves. These tiny holes are called stomata. What are they called? Stomata. Here these are present. These are stomata. What are these? Stomata. Okay. And insects breathe through small holes on their bodies. They are the small holes. These are the small holes in their bodies, and through these insects breathe. Okay. Now, living things need water. Do we need water? Yes, of course we need water. Every living thing is made up of mostly of water. Do you know that 3/4 of our body is made up of water? 3/4. Yes. Water helps to carry food from one part to another part of the body. And it also controls the body temperature. When we feel hot, what did we say? That we want to drink cold water. Why? Because it controls the temperature of our human body, and it also keeps the body moist. Okay, do you know that why we feel thirsty? Because it means that our body needs water. Why we feel thirsty? It means that our body needs water. Okay, how many glasses of water do you drink in a day? Tell me. 4 glasses. These are so less. You have to drink at least 10 glasses of water each day. Okay, must drink 10 glasses of water each day. Plants, do you know that plants, why did the plants take in, why we give water to plants? What do they do with water? Plants use water to make food, as we have learned that plants make their food with the help of water, sunlight. Okay, so plants make their food with the help of water. Water also helps plant to stand upright. Otherwise, if we do not water a plant, it dries up and it dies. Okay, do you understand? समझ आ गई सबको? Okay, now we will go through the reading. Open page number 2. All have opened the page number 2? Okay, let's start reading. We all live on Earth, which is the only planet providing conditions required for living things to survive and grow. These conditions include air, water, and sunlight. Living things, that IE is written. IE is pronounced as that is. IE लिखा हुआ है. इसको क्या पढ़ते हैं? That is plants and animals can use these to grow and make more living things of their own kind, have babies. Living things need air. All living things need air. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen from the air. When we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. Oxygen helps to break down the food that we eat. This makes energy for our bodies. Energy helps living things to move and work. Taking oxygen into the body and giving out carbon dioxide is called breathing. Fish use the oxygen present in water to breathe. They breathe through their gills. Animals living on land breathe by taking air into the lungs. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि सिर्फ एक प्लेनेट अर्थ ही है जहाँ पर जानदार चीज़ें रहती हैं, जानदार रहते हैं, मतलब ह्यूमंस, प्लांट्स सब अर्थ पर ही रहते हैं, बाकी प्लेनेट्स पर नहीं रहते हैं, क्योंकि अर्थ पे ही वो सारी कंडीशंस मौजूद हैं, मतलब एयर है, वाटर है, सनलाइट है, जो कि जानदारों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, ज़िंदा रहने के लिए, उनको सर्वाइव करने के लिए और ग्रो करने के लिए। लिविंग थिंग्स को एयर क्यों चाहिए होती है? क्योंकि हम ब्रीथ करते हैं ना, ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, सांस लेते हैं एयर से, तो हम ऑक्सीजन गैस अपने अंदर लेते हैं, ठीक है, और बाहर क्या निकालते हैं? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। क्या? ऑक्सीजन अंदर लेते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर निकालते हैं। अब ऑक्सीजन ही क्यों लेते हैं? क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन हमारे फूड को ब्रेक करने में मदद करती है, हमारे फूड को ब्रेक करती है और उससे एनर्जी बनती है, फिर हमारी बॉडी को एनर्जी मिलती है, तो एनर्जी मिलने के बाद हम काम कर सकते हैं, हम खेल सकते हैं, हम मूव कर सकते हैं। ये सब किसके थ्रू हो रहा है? ऑक्सीजन जब हम अंदर लेते हैं तो वो फूड को ब्रेक करती है, फिर एनर्जी बनती है, फिर ही हम ये सब कर सकते हैं। ओके, अच्छा, तो हम फिशेस ब्रीथ कैसे करती हैं? थ्रू देयर गिल्स। किससे? गिल्स की हेल्प से। और ह्यूमन बींग्स थ्रू देयर लंग्स। जो भी जानदार चीज़ें हैं जो ज़मीन पर रहने वाली हैं वो लंग से ब्रीथ करती हैं. ओके. पेज नंबर 3. Plants also breathe. They take in air through tiny holes in their leaves. These tiny holes are called stomata. Insects breathe through small holes on their bodies. मैंने आपको बताया कि प्लांट्स जो है वो ब्रीदिंग करते हैं थ्रू स्टोमेटा. स्मॉल होल्स होते हैं, टाइनी होल्स होते हैं उनके लीव्स में, जिनको स्टोमेटा कहते हैं, उनसे वो ब्रीथ करते हैं. और इंसेक्ट्स की जो बॉडी है उसमें भी स्मॉल होल्स होते हैं जिनके थ्रू वो ब्रीथ करते हैं. पेज नंबर 3. लिविंग थिंग्स नीड वाटर. एवरी लिविंग थिंग इज़ मेड अप ऑफ मोस्टली ऑफ वाटर. 3/4 of our body is made up of water. Water helps to carry food from one part of the body to another. It controls the temperature of the human body and helps in keeping the body moist. When we feel thirsty, it means our body needs water. We need to drink at least 10 glasses of water each day. Plants use water to make food. Water helps plants to stand upright. If we do not water a plant, it dries up and dies. मैंने आपको बताया कि हमारी बॉडी मोस्टली पानी से बनी हुई है. 3/4 हमारी बॉडी के वो क्या है, पानी से बने हुए. पानी है. ओके. पानी से क्या होता है, वाटर से क्या होता है. वाटर हम जो फूड खाते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, उसको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाता है. और वाटर हमारे बॉडी टेम्परेचर को भी मेंटेन करता है. और वाटर बॉडी को मॉइस्ट भी करता है. जब हमें प्यास लगती है, हम थर्स्टी फील करते हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि हमारी बॉडी को पानी की ज़रूरत है. वी नीड वाटर, और बॉडी नीड्स वाटर. प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं वाटर से? प्लांट्स अपना फूड बनाते हैं वाटर की हेल्प से. ठीक है. और जब हम प्लांट्स को वाटर देते हैं तो वो सीधे भी खड़े रहते हैं. अदरवाइज़ आपने देखा होगा कि हम 2-3 दिन तक अगर प्लांट्स को, पौधों को पानी ना दें तो वो सूख जाते हैं और मतलब खड़े नहीं हो सीधे नहीं होते, वो थोड़े से कर्व हो जाते हैं. ओके. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द लेक्चर. लिसन केयरफुली. नाउ योर होमवर्क time. Your homework is to remember and understand. List the conditions which are essential for all living beings. आपको उन कंडीशंस के बारे में लिखना है. वो कंडीशंस लिख के दिखानी है मुझे रफ कॉपी पर, जो असेंशियल है, बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है लिविंग बींग्स के लिए. ठीक है. एंड योर होमवर्क इज़ टू ऑल्सो रीड द पेज नंबर 2 and 3. पेज नंबर 2 and 3 को केयरफुली रीड करना है, अच्छे से, बहुत अच्छे से. ओके. मीनिंग भी उसकी समझनी है, पढ़नी है, और होमवर्क भी करके चेक करवाना है ग्रुप में. ओके. थैंक यू सो मच.